Howdy everyone, this is Graham Bynum with Uptown 101, and this is my channel, Best Dallas Apartments. Whoa, are you about to see this? This is crazy. So this is an indoor pickleball court. This is the only pickleball court I've ever seen inside a high-rise. Pretty astounding. And so that's gonna tell you, first of all, how popular pickleball has become. But second of all, oh my goodness, wow. It's air conditioned. It's like pickleball extraordinaire, luxurious. It's got a lot of seating around here. So for the people that aren't playing pickleball, they can just be watching, enjoying, laughing, watching some TV. But the pickleball is right here and ready to go. So you can set up your own tournament inside the building, just with your friends, or just practice with one friend and get better at your skills. It's a pretty cool amenity. It's only found at the Peridot inside this downtown Dallas high-rise apartment. Well done, Peridot, well done. Hey, if you have questions anytime about anything you're seeing, or if you're ready to set up a tour, send me a text. Just use the number below, and I'll set up that tour even same day for you and make sure you have a great experience in any place that you're gonna want to tour with. That tour, by the way, can be live or virtual live.